Hi all, welcome to my demonstration UVACollab site for a course that's an introduction to global art history for undergrads, offered online at a designated time where we come together once or twice a week via Zoom to discuss course materials. I'm taking a scaffolded approach to the creation of these collab sites, and this is step one within that ladder. You'll see here this is now the overview section of the collab site. It's got the identifying information for the course, including who the instructor is, the meeting time, and there's also links to a Calendly site if students want to make an appointment with you outside of standard office hours. And there's a link here to the syllabus in PDF form. This collab site gives you the option to use online meetings, and I'm using that for three purposes here. I'm using it for virtual office hours. I'm using it for a Zoom meeting that they can meet for the class meeting itself, and then sort of an all-purpose quickfire meeting. It's a meeting without a designated time that I can use for those one-on-one interactions with students and send them either the meeting ID or the meeting link. This site also gives students a view of the course week to week as a grid. So here at the top, I'm reiterating where we can all gather and find each other online via link, ID, and passcode. And then it has week to week the topics that we're going to take up, and the idea here is that as much is hyperlinked as possible. So if there's a reading for a week, that is linked to the PDF. If there's an assignment due, such as a journal, that are worked into this class, that is available via a link, and students in this case upload an attachment and submit. And beyond readings and assignments, there's also the assessments built into this course. So for example, for the midterm, I'm planning on administering the midterm online at a designated time, and if they click that, they'll go over and see the portal that has the midterm available to them. I've already submitted the midterm, so you're seeing this screen now. But if we go down to, say, the final, which I have not yet submitted, you'll see an example of being able to continue to the assessment and see the different prompts within that. Here's the prompt and then the field that they'll fill in. They can also go to another part of the assessment that I've incorporated images into, since this is an art history exam. There's some things going on behind the scenes here to make this hyperlinked syllabus possible. The assignments tool, the tests and quizzes tool, and the resources where I've uploaded those PDFs that I want students to read. However, I've gone in to site settings and tool order, and I've actually hidden those tools. I've made the tool hidden to students so that their options on the left-hand side here aren't cluttered with options. That doesn't affect students' ability to go in and view things. It just keeps the side clean. So if I view the site as a student, you can see that it's just online meetings and course schedule. So overall, it's very succinct and economical from the user perspective or the student perspective. So I hope this site is helpful to you as you're designing your own courses and imagining what shapes Collab can take.